The last two things to talk about really are these two buttons here. The design protocol, if you click on that, that takes you to the designer, OneLab Designer. Now we're not going to talk about this in great detail, just enough to say that this is where you create your protocols and you will be guided through each step as necessary. So adding labware, setting up your pipetting protocols, etc. Going back to the home. The execute button on the home page takes you to a list of available protocols that you can execute, and you would just choose the one you want and you would execute it. Okay, so there are multiple ways of getting to a protocol to execute, but that's how the button on the home page works. The last element on here that I'd like to show you is this little blue icon down here in the corner. Now this is a feature called Intercom. Again, it's a cloud feature. If you click on it, it takes you to a search engine which will give you access to lots of help articles and those kinds of things, or you can actually start a chat with one of our technical support people here at Android Alliance. Okay, that's a whistle-stop tour through how you navigate in OneLab.